welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall look at the Yardi Voyager and everything that you need to know about this. For this case, we shall use the Gemini AI to exactly understand what it means. So you can choose either to play or either to read through this manual automatically. Alright, so as you can see here, the Yardi is a leading integrated web-based property management and accounting software for real estate professionals. So this means, guys, if you're dealing in the real estate business, then you should use Yardi Voyager for accounting your business. Okay, so this platform covers the entire real estate life cycle from marketing leading to financial management and maintenance. Okay, so this means this software can be used for both looking for clients, leading to the closure of business with clients, and also managing the finances with your clients. Managing finances with the clients can be through, for example, sharing documents, financial documents, payment documents, invoices, and everything you need to know. So the key features of Yardi are as follows: property management. We have lease administration. This handles complex leases. Of course, you know leases is for land, and also rent processing. And we also have accounting, robust financial accounting tool for general ledgers and accounts payables, maintaining and streamlining work orders, reporting, analytics, and also tenants, residents for accessing external management and payment receipts. So guys, if at all you have your tenants, you can also use the Yardi Voyager software to manage their payments and all other things. So guys, point to note is that Yardi is something that you should advisely do if at all you're dealing in the real estate business, rental, apartments, and anything of that sort. You should definitely study the Yardi Voyager and consider using it. Basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet in the next video once again.